Hello students, today we have to see first chapter of math sets. Now here we write some collections. Days of a week, months in a year, and days of a week we can write all days of a week. Months in a week we can write all months in a year. Bunch of keys we can list we can decide how many keys. Brave children in the class. Now we cannot definitely say that the children is brave or not. आपण डेफिनेटली सांगू शकतो का एखादा विद्यार्थी तो ब्रेव आहे किंवा नाही. म्हणजे कंपॅरेटिव्हली आपण सांगू शकतो परंतु डेफिनेट सांगता येत नाही. किंवा हॅपी चिल्ड्रन इन द विलेज, कोणता हॅपी आहे किंवा कोणता नाही असं डेफिनेटली सांगू शकतो का? नाही. तर फर्स्ट थ्री कलेक्शन्स, नाउ हियर these three collections we can take all objects of these collections definitely and clearly. Therefore this type of collections is known as a set. These are not examples of set, these are collections, but we cannot definitely tell all objects of this collection. या कलेक्शनचे आपण सर्व ऑब्जेक्ट डेफिनेट सांगू शकत नाही, त्यामुळे ह्याला सेट म्हणत नाही. These are the examples of sets. Now write down sets. If we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, the objects of a given collection then that collection is called sets. That collection is called sets. Now for example, suppose A is a set of numbers 1, 2, 3, last element is 100. Now we can definitely tell there are 100 numbers. There are 100 numbers. 1, 2, we can list them 1, 2, 3 and so on. Last element is 100. We can clearly find all objects of this element, of this set, of this collection. Therefore, it is a set. Now, sets are denoted by capital letters. A, B, C, last element Z, and its elements by small letters. A, B, C and so on. Next point, types of sets. of sets. There are two types. First type is listing method. Types of sets or methods of writing sets. I write down here methods of writing sets. Methods of writing sets. There are two methods. First method is listing method. Or we can write this as roster method. Now here, for example, suppose A is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is example of by listing method. Means we can write all elements in curly bracket. Each element write only once, and separate these elements by giving commas. And second method, rule method. Or it is called as set builder form. Now for example, suppose A is a set of x such that x belongs to n. We can write this as x belongs to n and x is less than 6. X is less than 6. We can write this set as A is a set of x such that x belongs to n and x less than 6. x ची व्हॅल्यू 6 पेक्षा लहान आहे म्हणजे 5 पर्यंत आहे. Natural number. Now we can write variables, give column and write down the property in which these elements we get. Now write down practice set 1.1. Practice set 1.1. Now first example, write the following sets in roster form. Write the following sets in roster form. Write the following sets in roster form. First, set of even natural numbers. Set of even natural numbers. Write down second, set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime numbers. From 1 to 50, and write down third, set of negative integers. Set of negative integers. Now write down solution of first. Write the following sets in roster form. We have to write this in roster form. Now first, set of even natural numbers. Now set of even natural numbers, we know that even natural numbers are, first even natural number is 2, second 4, 6 and so on. Therefore, we can write this as set of even natural numbers. Suppose this is set A, which contains element 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. This is the answer of first, set of even natural numbers. Second, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Suppose this is set B. Now even prime numbers, there is only one even prime number, that is 2. बाकीचे prime number कोणते येतात? 3 prime number, but it is not even prime number. There is only one even prime number, that is 2. 1 to 50 मध्ये even prime number कोणता आहे? 2. Number 3, set of negative integers. Suppose C is a set of negative integers which contains elements -1, -2, -3 and so on. This is solution of third. Now write down question number 2. Question number 2. Write the following symbolic statements. Write the following symbolic statements in words. Now first, 4/3, second -2 and third, P is a set of P such that P is an odd number. Now we have to write the following symbolic statements. We have given these are symbolic statements. We have to write these statements in words. Now first example, 4/3 belongs to Q, or we can write this as 4/3 is an element of set Q. Is an element of set Q, or we can write this as 4/3 belongs to Q, that is 4/3 is an element of set Q. Number 2, -2 is not an element of set N. -2 does not belong to N, therefore -2 is not an element of set N. Number 3. Now 3 is P is a set of P such that P is an odd number. P is a set of P such that P is an odd number. P is an odd number. P is an odd number. Thank you.